नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, my dear kids. We finished the first lesson, isn't it? We finished the first lesson, and also notes also I sent. Have you all finished? Those who finished the notes, please send the photo. Please, dear kids, send the photo. Okay, my dear kids, I'll correct it and give. Okay, today we are going to revise the notes. Okay, first we have written the Varnamala, right? Varnamala means alphabets. Varnamala, alphabets. Under Varnamala, what and all will come? Swar and Vyanjan. Swar means vowels and Vyanjan means consonants. What are the swar? A, E, U, Ir, A, I, O, Au, Aha. This everything you know, isn't it? Because now you are in 4th grade. Last year itself we learned this and all. Once more I am reading. Swar means vowels. A, E, U, Ir, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Then Vyanjan, consonants. Listen carefully, my dear kids. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Da, ta, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Once more. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Next 4th line. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Last line. Pa, pha, ba, pha, ma. These 5 lines will having 5 letters in each line. Isn't it? Next 2 line, 4 letters in each line. That is ya, ra, la, va. That is also consonant only. Vyanjanakshar only. So ya, ra, la, va. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Okay, then last one, Sanyuktakshar. Sanyuktakshar means join letters. Okay, Sanyuktakshar. Iksha, Itra, Inya, Ishra. Iksha, Itra, Inya, Ishra. Okay. Next we will go to the lesson. Part 1. What is the title of the lesson? Kazaki. First Roman letter Arth. What is that? Arth. Arth means meanings. Okay. Number 1. Kazaki, postman. Kazaki, postman. Ballam, big stick. Ballam, big stick. Barcast. What is the third one? Barcast, dismissed. Barcast, dismissed. Once more. Kazaki, postman. Ballam, big stick. Barcast, dismissed. 4th one. Lakir, line. Lakir, line. Kamal Gatti. Kamal Gatti, one type of fruit, like one type of fruit. Kamal Gatti means one type of fruit. Okay. Then once more. Kazaki, postman. Ballam, big stick. Barcast, dismissed. Lakir, line. Kamal Gatti, one type of fruit. Then 6th one. Tak Khana. Tak Khana, post office. Tak Khana, post office. 7th one. Vrittant, news. Vrittant, news. 8th one. Amma, mother. Amma, mother. Once more. Kazaki, postman. Learn now itself, my dear kids. Kazaki, postman. Ballam, big stick. Barcast, dismissed. Lakir, line. Kamal Gatti, one type of fruit. Tak Khana, post office. Vrittant, news. Amma, mother. You keep your note with you while I am teaching this one, okay? Then it will be easy for you. Once more I am reading. Please learn now itself. Kazaki, postman. Ballam, big stick. Barcast, dismissed. Lakir, line. Kamal Gatti, one type of fruit. डाकखाना post office, वृत्तांत news, amma mother. Okay, then ninth one, bhaiya. Bhaiya means brother. Bhaiya brother. Kanda shoulder. Kanda shoulder. Then second Roman letter anekarthi shabd. See, anekarthi shabd means one word having different more than one meanings. Anek means more than one. More. Anekarthi means more meanings having word. Shabd means word. More meanings having word only anekarthi shabd. So anekarthi shabd means more meanings having word. That word having more meanings. Not same meanings and all. Okay, more different meanings. Then first one, arth. Arth, for arth, two meanings are there. One is matlab. Matlab means meanings. Dhan means wealth. Arth means these two meanings are there. What is that? Matlab, dhan. Matlab, dhan. Arth means matlab also there, dhan also there. Matlab is meanings. Dhan means wealth. So this arth having these two meanings. Okay, these meanings are matlab also there, dhan also there. Both we will use. Then next second one, har. Har means mala. We will using na mala, that is har. Then parajay, failure. That also har is there. That word, that har means parajay also. Failure also is there. Mala, that garland also there. Okay, so arth means, what is the two meanings of arth? Matlab, dhan. Har means mala, parajay. Then third one, kar. Kar. Hath. Hath means hand. Kar means what is that? Hand. Hath. Hath means hand. Then tax also. We are paying taxes and all. Now we will say kar. Isn't it? Huh? Kar. That also tax. Kar means hath also there. Tax also kar only. Once more, arth. What is the two meanings of arth? Matlab, dhan. Har, mala, parajay. Kar, hath, tax. Then fourth one, am. Am means what? We learned from the LKG even. Am means mango, isn't it? So another one meaning also there for am. What is that? Mamuli, normal, common. Am, normal person. Normal. Am atmi means normal. Mamuli means normal. Ek fal, one fruit name also am. Isn't it? Ek fal. Ek fal means one fruit. So am means mamuli, normal. Ek fal, one fruit. Okay. So once more, anekarthi shabd means more meanings having word. Isn't it? Words having more meanings. That is arth. Arth means matlab, dhan, har, mala, parajay, kar, hath, tax, am, mamuli, ek, fal. Then ek shabd. Ek shabd means one word. One word. One word means one explanation will be there. For that, only one word will be the answer. What is that? Jisse dekh kar dar lage. By seeing that itself, we are feeling scared. What is that in Hindi? One word they will say in one word, bhayanak, horrible. So horrible, isn't it? Very, we will feel scared, isn't it? By seeing that itself, we will feel scared. That is bhayanak, horrible. Okay, jisse dekhkar darne lage, bhayanak. Bhayanak means horrible. The second one, aajna ka palan karne wala. Those who is obeying the order. Ajnakari, obeyable person. Okay, Ajnakari, obedient. Okay, आज्ञा का पालन करने वाला आज्ञाकारी. इसी ना जिसे देखकर डर लगे, भयानक. भयानक is the answer, horrible. आज्ञा का पालन करने वाला, those who is obeying the orders, आज्ञाकारी, obedient. दया करने वाला. दया करने वाला means those who is showing kindness. Who is that? दयालु, kindful person. दयालु. दया करने वाला, दयालु. दया करने वाला, दयालु. Then fourth one what? जिसके नीचे रेखा को, which is having line on the down. And what is that? Rekhaangid, underline. रेखांकित means underline. जिसके नीचे रेखा हो, रेखा means line. In which word having line on the down, we will say that underline. रेखांकित, रेखांकित. जिसके नीचे रेखा हो, रेखांकित. Okay, once more. जिसे देखकर डर लगे, भयानक. आज्ञा का पालन करने वाला, आज्ञाकारी. दया करने वाला, दयालु. जिसके नीचे रेखा हो, रेखांकित. Okay, जिसके नीचे रेखा हो, रेखांकित. Then all take your textbook, page number 40. All take your textbook, page number 40. Okay, in that you have to write today's date. What is the date today? 22/10/2020, right? Write on the up of it. Here you can see that one girl and one boy, isn't it? One girl and one boy is there. See, one girl, one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl. Something they are talking. What is that they are talking? We will see. Chiku, first boy name is Chiku. Kasaki ko deri ka bahut bura phal mila. That Chiku is telling, for coming late, he got phal. There you see that phal word is reddish in color, isn't it? So he is telling that Kasaki ko deri ka bahut bura phal mila. Why? Because of coming late, Kasaki have got what? Bad result. What he got? Bad result. So then Chinu is asking, खाने को फल कहाँ मिला? Where he got fruit for eating? Like that he is asking. She is asking, where he got fruit? Because फल, there also फल is there. Isn't it? उसकी तो नौकरी चली गई. His job only went na. Where he got fruit and all. But Chiku told he got bad result because of coming late. Then Chinu, he misunderstood that, and she is telling, खाने का फल कहाँ मिला? Why? Where he got fruit? Like that. अरे फल यानी परिणाम, नतीजा. He is telling फल means result. Bird result he got. आम संतरा जैसे खाने वाला फल. He is telling not that fruit and all. Not that fruit and all. Like mango and orange and all. I am telling that he got bad result. Oh, like that she is telling. Then in that box you see, my dear kids, चीनू और चीकू की बातचीत में रंगीन शब्द फल पर ध्यान दें. In that फल is the highlighted word, isn't it? फल is the highlighted word. यह शब्द कई अलग अलग अर्थों जैसे परिणाम, नतीजा, आम, संतरा आदि का ज्ञान कर रहा है. In that फल we will tell the meaning as परिणाम. परिणाम means result, natija means result, aam means mango, sandra means orange. These fruit also we will tell. So we will tell that as anekarti shabd. We learned in the notebook. So this is the word for having more meanings. So that we will say in Hindi anekarti shabd. That anekarti shabd you please underline. Anekarti shabd. Okay, then after that इसके विपरीत कई शब्द मिलकर जब एक अर्थ का ज्ञान कराते, मोर वर्ड्स केम टुगेदर एंड टेलिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ ए वन वर्ड. इट इज टेलिंग अस एक शब्द. व्हाट इज दैट? एक शब्द, वन वर्ड. ओके, वन वर्ड वी विल से, वन वर्ड. सो तीन रंगों वाला, एग्जाम्पल तीन रंग वाला, 3 कलरिंग हैविंग. व्हाट इज दैट? तिरंगा, ट्राई कलर. Then मार्ग दिखाने वाला, those who is showing the way, मार्गदर्शक. Okay, guide. Like that. Then say take page number 15, my dear kids. Page number 15. In that you can see some questions in the box. You have to match. This answer we have written in the notebook. So you can match by seeing that. Arth. What is the meaning of arth? This one. Match like this. Matlab, done. Then next one, har. This one, mala, parajay. Then kar, hath, tax. Then aam, मामूली या साधारण एक प्रकार का फल. This you have to match. Then after that, दिए गए अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द. Number 2 question. जिसे देखकर डर लगे. What is the meaning of what is the one word for that? भयानक. What is the one word? भयानक. You can copy from your notebook. Bhayanak. First one's answer. Bhayanak. Then second one's answer. आज्ञा का पालन करने वाला. आज्ञाकारी. 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 Copy it from your notebook. Okay. आज्ञाकारी. Then दया करने वाला. दयालु. दयालु. Then जिसके नीचे रेखा हो रेखांकित. रेखांकित. Okay. Copy this all from your notebook. Okay, my dear kids. Then finish this one. Finish it and see notebook. Most of them didn't. Only one student sent from 4th grade. Okay. More complaints about 4th grade. No one is responding for anything. Please watch the video and respond whatever the teachers are telling. You are our kids. Please respond whatever the teachers are telling, and whatever the teachers are telling you to do, please do that and send that one. Okay, my dear. Give importance for studies. You also have to get good name and all. Most of them are telling for grade 4 students are not doing anything. Please do well. Please do well. Okay, my dear kids. Next week, 29/10/2020, you have a home test for this first lesson. So please learn the first lesson carefully and prepare for the home test. I'll conduct test on next Tuesday. Okay, my dear kids. Next Tuesday, not next Thursday. Okay, my dear kids. It's written wrongly. You have written. See. It will be on next Thursday. Okay, my dear kids. Learn well for the test. Prepare well and come for the test and write that. Okay, my dear kids. Thank you. Dhanyavad.